Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Rainbow Celebrations kit that is free with purchase. You have to spend $75. You can get this item for free, and it's a kit that has 6 cards, I believe, and I'm just quickly putting this together. So I have Paper Pumpkin. I'm working on Paper Pumpkin right now, so I wanted to have something really quick to share with you. This video is very short, and I pretty much put this kit together very quickly. So if you are looking for a celebration reward that's super cute, like I really like this. This is a great idea. I have these cards handy for when a birthday comes up, and I honestly sometimes I don't have enough birthday cards. I make a lot of thank you cards, don't I? So one last thing I wanted to mention here is that Celebration, the actual sale, ends this month. So February 28th, it's gone. And then we will start on a new catalog here shortly, but not necessarily for customers. I think I get pre-order rights being a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I did want to reach out to anybody who's watching this. If you wanted to join my team, I would love to have you. My little team is growing. We are a Canadian-based team, and you do get discounts and extra perks. And I'm not allowed to go into it too much, but I can tell you what, my team gets treated very specially by me. But I digress. So I just want to remind you that Celebration is ending this month, and I am also a part of a fundraiser for the California wildfires, and I thought that I would share a little information there. I'll put the link in the description box below. I am doing almost like a online class there, but we have something like 48 presenters, and it'll only cost you $20, and it will go towards the folks who lost a lot of stuff in the wildfires there that they had in California just recently. So and that happens this weekend too. So there's lots of stuff going on, and I'm so glad that I had this little video in my stash that I could share with you real quick. So I just want to say thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for all the thumbs up you do, for basically all the YouTubey things. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. And you guys, thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.